2020 Chrysler 300S. HEMI 5.7 beast. Check it out. I always like these cars. Factory converter, factory X-pipe. Did a mid delete. There. No valves on this one. Did a rear delete. There. And there. And it's all 2 1/4 all the way back. So we just continued it with the 2 1/4, guys. So if you wondered what size you have on your vehicle, it's 2 1/4 from the cat's back. It's 2 1/2, and then it goes down to 2 1/4 where the X pipe is. And it continues 2 1/4 all the way back. See? As you guys can see there and there. We'll let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Much better. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here's sound decibels. Again. 113. You can see it rise up. I like it. Do you like it? He likes it. Do you like it? Yes, sir. Sounds good. She looks good and sounds good. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go.